Blessed and happy Thursday to all of you, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters. Today is April 16, 2026. In today's Gospel, from the account of the Gospel of John, chapter 3, verses 31 to 36, reminds me that Christ comes from above. And if I truly belong to Him, then my life as a priest must also be oriented toward what is above and not what is below. I am not created to remain trapped in the earthly attachments like fears and distractions that weigh down my soul. I am destined for something higher, something eternal. Yet, how often do I allow the things below to hold back my rising, like my worries, my need for approval, my attachment to comfort and control? They quietly anchor me to a life that is less than what God desires for me. Today's gospel challenges me deeply. I cannot keep holding hands with the world and expect to rise with Christ. To believe in the Son is to choose Him above all else, to trust His word over every competing voices, and to let go of whatever pulls me away from God. Today, I am invited to lift my heart higher and to loosen my grip on what is temporary and to fix my gaze on the one who comes from above, because in Him I find not only truth but the fullness of life I was truly created for. And again, my dear friends, my dear brothers and sisters, let me rephrase what I have said earlier. Never allow the things below, the realities below, prevents us from rising. Put more weight and premium on the realities above than the realities below, because there is limitless supply from above than below. Abundance and real blessings are from above, not from below, because what is above, what is below is below. I say it again, never allow the realities below prevents us from rising, because we were created for above. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, so that many will be blessed.